What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be working on the new 300ZX. Super excited to start working on the new Z. Right now we got a Misfire, and pretty much what I do when I have a misfiring Z, because that's a very common thing on these 300ZXs, and I've had, I think 4? Yeah, this is my 4th one. Is I just pull the plug for the coil pack just to see if it changes anything, and I pulled all of them, and this one right here is the culprit. This is the one. Everything else, so what you do basically is you pull the plug, and if it bogs down, then it's working. If it doesn't bog down and nothing changes, then that means it's not working. So yeah, so we're gonna start off by replacing the coil packs, because I have some extra coil packs because I've had so many of these cars, and yeah, so we're gonna put this coil pack in. Hopefully that fixes the misfire. So I just replaced the coil pack, but honestly this one does not look bad. This thing looks brand new. So I didn't put the bracket on this new one just in case that's not the problem. Usually if it's not the coil pack, then it's probably the fuel injector. Luckily this one's pretty easy to get to, so if it is that one, then I'll just get a fuel injector and replace it. But we'll start it up and see. A little better. I don't know if it's fixed or not until I get up here. That's way smoother. Now I'm about to pull this off and see if it's fixed. Yep, that was the problem. No more misfire. Sounds like shit. So no more misfire, but I'm not gonna lie, this car sounds like shit. I don't like this exhaust. It's horrible. It's a Z1 exhaust, but it's just single exit, and I don't know. On the NA 300ZXs, I just don't think it sounds very good. But we got a lot of big plans coming for this. I've already ordered a lot of parts. They should be here within the next couple of days. We got coilovers going on the car, so if you are thinking about installing coilovers, the video will be out probably sometime next week, and we're going to absolutely slam this thing to the ground. You excited to slam this thing? Yeah. Just like the mower? We still haven't fixed the mower. I gotta get a welder, and then I'm gonna weld everything and fix it. Lexus is still just chilling.
I could probably talk to my dad today.
Yeah, I need to get one. But we also got a full BN style body kit coming for the car from JP Fiberglass. I got the front bumper, lip, the side skirts, the rear valence, and probably, well, not probably, I did get over fenders for the car. I'm not for sure if I'm going to be doing the wide body on this car, but most likely. I also got to get some seats. These seats are busted, just terrible. The old driver's seat was even worse. This is the passenger side seat. I took it from over there. But the only thing is, like, the seat belt holder's on the wrong side, so I can't really use it. But I'm gonna try to pick up some seats locally and then order some brackets. We'll just have to see, but hopefully in the next couple days we can get everything and just go take this thing out. I'm excited to drive a Z again. I've missed it. I don't think this thing has AC, but I'm definitely going to be trying to get AC. If it doesn't, AC compressor if I need to, because I want AC in the Z. It's the #1 thing for me. I'm very tired of driving around in these cars and not having AC. But I got this thing cleaned up a lot. Obviously this is still kind of dirty. That was not for me. That was actually on the side of the seats. When I sat it in there, it fell in there. But I've cleaned it up a lot. Don't know what to do about this cracked dash stuff though. I really don't like it. Over there you can kind of see it on the edge. You may just Bondo over it or like some kind of silicone. But yeah, this thing is sick. Probably about to go take it for a ride and see how it feels. All right, so we're gonna be taking this thing on its first drive. It's running a lot better. It's pretty sketchy though, because my seat's not even bolted in, so we're just kind of rolling with it. This thing is an automatic, but I have no seatbelt either. But it only goes in first gear, and then once you have to shift from first to second to drive. So yeah, we're gonna see how this thing goes. Roll the window down because it's hot. We have no AC. It's kind of running weird. We're about to run out of gas. But let's go get some gas. This thing is kind of sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. You kind of feel it kind of shaking. But yeah, this thing's kind of weird. It's shaking in reverse. So they got that door thing flashing. Doesn't know what's going on. We got a car behind us, so I can't back out yet, but feels weird in reverse. Not gonna lie, this car has a lot of little things that I'm gonna have to address, but as a whole, it's pretty sick. You know, having a Z again is pretty nice. Not really sure what this guy behind me is doing. I don't know. I started backing up and he's just sitting there. Oh, there he goes. See, he just moved. So we put it in reverse, and we're gonna see about backing it out and driving it. And then, like I said, you gotta put it in one, kicks your ass, and then now you're good to go. And then you gotta go to 2, and then go to drive, and then you're good. Not gonna lie, this is hella sketchy. The fucking window is hella foggy. The seat moves, so if you can't tell. And also, I haven't driven this car, so I don't know if this thing's reliable or not, but look. If we get in a wreck, I'm fucked. But yeah, we're gonna go get some gas, because this thing's about to run out of gas, and we're gonna be messing with it at the house. I definitely need to make sure we have gas. Put insurance on it today. I still gotta go register it. Now, he said once you do it the first time, you can get out of first. Let's see. All right, so now that, all right. There we go, we got to shift. This is crazy. It sounds really fucking weird. Oh, we got the gas light on finally. So this is gonna be interesting. With this seat, it is crazy. I need to figure out a buckle for it, because if we get pulled over, I'm gonna be in big trouble. But hey, that's kind of content, right? I guess. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the gas station. This thing is definitely loud. Listen, oh, my seatbelt came out. It says we have no oil pressure. That's not a good sign. I don't know if it's right though. But yeah, so. It doesn't feel that bad, honestly. Like it's not terrible. We're turning in to get gas. I'm gonna go to Kroger's, the closest place. The seat thing is fucking crazy. This thing's running good, dude. I mean, you know, all things considered, obviously I gotta hope that it starts. I don't have the battery charger right now, so hopefully the alternator is doing its job. We're gonna be screwed. But dude, like, this thing is good. I like it. I think it's handling everything very well. I need to put some gas in it. But yeah, let's put some gas in it and see what's up. All right, so we just got gas, and we started it up. Thank God it started up. I'm happy, but it's doing its little whining shit. So I got to fake put the seatbelt on. Just kind of shove it. The cops around my house do not play around at all. Luckily, I haven't got a ticket. Knock on wood. but still don't want to be playing games with them. So you know, had to get that Red Bull. Usually I get Celsius, but they don't have any at the Kroger fueling station I go to. Kind of running a little rough, I'm not gonna lie, but just trying to make it back home. I think we have to start in first again. I'm gonna try to start and drive and see what happens. All right, so it's working. Oh, my seat just throws me back. But yeah, so the seatbelt shit is not fucking working. So we're just gonna have to roll no seatbelt and hope that we don't get pulled over. Woo! But yeah, I don't know what gear we're in. I don't know if this thing's shifting right. I have no clue. I know the blinkers don't work. I don't know if we don't have them or what, but they're not working. So there's a lot we got to do to this car. Dude, I love it. I love it. Honestly, automatic is not the best, I will say. It's not my favorite, but it's not that bad, really. This thing is so slow, but I love it. Feels okay in the corners too. I mean, oh shit. Never mind. I don't know what this is, but I'm hitting the brakes. It's not even in the brakes, it's when I'm turning. Hold on, let me see if I can show you. I don't know, it's not doing it anymore, but it was like shaking the steering wheel like this. Maybe it's just the rotors. Yeah, I think it's just the rotors. No big deal. I think it's just the rotors, to be honest with you. So we're gonna get all new brakes, rotors. It's feeling weird. I think it just needs a tune up, maybe some spark plugs. I feel it kind of like, I don't know if it's missing or what. But yeah, guys, that's probably gonna do it for today's video. That is how you fix-ish a Misfire in a 300ZX, and the way I go through and check the stuff in the 300ZX, I usually just pull the plugs, the coil pack connections off to check which cylinder it is, and then I just go through and I fix it based off of what I think it is, like that. The blinker's working now, so that's sick. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of big things coming for the 300ZX, so hit that subscribe button if you're new, and peace out.